Hi Brainbox, welcome to Brainbox YouTube channel. In this video, we will look at diagrams as a way of visualizing problems, making them much easier to solve. But before you continue, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to keep you posted for more review topics. You can also avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. There is a set of problems that involve having you figuring out a particular sequence given only a handful of clues. It could be age, it could be a seating arrangement, etc. Whichever kind of problem it is, as long as it involves arranging objects in a sequence, diagramming is often the best approach to solving it. There are 4 easy steps to remember when diagramming problems. First, draw a line and assign meaning to each direction, such as older people are higher, younger people are lower. Second, write the first character in the middle of the line. Third, using each statement in the problem as a guide, place each character in their position relative to each other. Lastly, create your conclusion based on the diagram. Let's try using this strategy to solve a sample problem. There are 5 brothers: Albert, Bart, Cameron, Dean, and Earl. Arrange them in order from eldest to youngest using the following clues. Albert is the 4th sibling. Earl is older than Bart, but younger than Cameron. Dean is younger than Earl, but older than Albert. Let's make a vertical line where we will start ordering the siblings with the eldest at the top and the youngest at the bottom. Using the first clue, we know that Albert is the 4th sibling. We can't do a lot with that information right now, so let's just write him down on the line. He will be the reference point around whom we will arrange the other siblings. The second clue tells us that Dean appears above Albert, so let's write him down on our line. The second clue also tells us that Earl is older than Dean, so let's write his name at the very top, for now. The third clue states that Earl is older than Bart, but younger than Cameron. Let's start incorporating this clue into our solution by placing Cameron at the very top. Now, since Bart is younger than Earl, and therefore below him, there are several slots where he can be inserted in our diagram. However, doing so anywhere above Albert would move Albert to the bottom, which would not be in line with the first clue, that Albert is 4th. Seeing as Albert is currently the 4th, that would mean Bart can only be placed below him at 5th, so that Albert's position as 4th remains. Since we have thoroughly discussed diagramming, let us try to expound our knowledge by answering this practice set. You have 1 minute to answer each item. Good luck! Number 1. 5 races coming from Angola, Brazil, Canada, Denmark, and Egypt respectively, competed in an international Grand Prix. In what order did the 5 races cross the finish line based on the following clues? Angola finished 2 positions lower than Egypt. Canada was ahead of Egypt, but behind Brazil. Timer starts now. Time is up. From the first clue, we know that Egypt finished ahead of Angola by 2 positions, and that there is 1 racer between them. The second clue tells us that Canada appears above Egypt, so let's write that down. The second clue also tells us that Canada is behind Brazil, so let's reflect that on our diagram. We have no more clues left. However, we know that there are only 5 races and that one of those races finished between Egypt and Angola. Also, there is only one racer that hasn't been included in the diagram yet, and that's Denmark. Therefore, it makes sense that Denmark be the racer that finished in 4th. Having included Denmark in our diagram, we have finished recreating the race result from the clues. So we have our answer: 1st Brazil, 2nd Canada, 3rd Egypt, 4th Denmark, 5th Angola. That's a wrap. Share this video for others to learn too. If you want to learn more, you can avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.